Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. Tech Fox, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a single WhatsApp message for everyone after sending. That's pretty easy and simple. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your WhatsApp app, and now I wanna give you a reminder, and that's WhatsApp allows you to create messages for everyone within approximately 2 days and 12 hours, 60 hours after sending. After this period, the delete for everyone option is no longer available. For example, I'm gonna click on this conversation, and from here I just want to delete it. And I want to delete it for everyone. And to do that, normally hold the message, and now you will see an interface like this. Normally click on this delete button, and now from here choose delete for everyone, and it will be deleted. That's pretty cool, pretty simple. But once the 60-hour window has passed, WhatsApp does not provide an official method to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. Any attempts to bypass these limitations, such as altering device settings, may violate WhatsApp's terms and services are not recommended. For example, I want to delete an old message, for example this one. So I'm gonna hold this and I'm gonna choose delete. And here you can see that delete for everyone option is not available here. So that's all about today's video, how you can delete a single message for everyone in WhatsApp. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.